Hey, what's up everyone? In the last video we showed you how to make plant tissue culture. In this video we are going to be pouring it, and the first thing we need to do is to get our cups sterilized. We're going to do that by wrapping them in tin foil tightly so that water can't get in, and then we will throw that in the pressure cooker. When wrapping the lids, alternate the lids upside down and right side up. Otherwise, once they go through the pressure cooker, they may become stuck together and become completely unusable. I'm going to throw these cups in the pressure cooker along with some other stuff I need to get sterilized. You can use the same method for tools, or you can use these autoclave bags. We're going to sterilize everything at 15 psi for 20 minutes. I'll be pouring in front of the flow hood for optimal cleanliness. The most important part of any of this is to ensure cleanliness. If you don't have a flow hood, you could use a still air box, updraft from your oven, the range hood. As long as the area and especially you are clean, there are ways you can be successful without the flow hood. We're going to let the media cool down to 140 degrees before we start to pour. Otherwise it may melt your cups and make it very hard to get the lids on. Before we get started, we want to give our media a good shake, make sure nothing settled out to the bottom. We want all those ingredients evenly distributed throughout the media before we start to pour. We're going to pour the cups with about 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch in the bottom and close the lid tight. Once the media has completely set up, we'll take some grafting tape and we're going to wrap the cups, and we can store them for future use. Any of the materials you've seen in this video, the cups, the media, the grafting tape, are all available. You can hit us up on IG at breaking_veils or by email at breakingveils@proton.me. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, as we're going to continue putting out more videos on plant tissue culture. We really want to try to make plant tissue culture enjoyable and affordable for everyone. So whether you want to buy in bulk or you just want to buy a little at a time, we want to try to make this available for everyone. So we have pre-made media for you. Just hit us up and we will try to make sure that anything that we use is available to you.